Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are someone who loves creating videos but always thought you needed a professional camera setup to make them look cinematic, think again. In today's video, I am going to show you 5 tips to help you shoot amazing cinematic videos using just your smartphone. Whether you are an experienced content creator or a beginner just getting started, these tips will guide you through the essentials, and I will also introduce you to Filmora Wondershare, a fantastic tool to enhance your video editing process. Let's dive in. Tip number 1. Camera settings. The first and arguably most important step in shooting cinematic video is setting your smartphone's camera correctly. This might seem basic, but if done wrong, your footage could look trash. Start by switching your resolution to 4K. Next, choose the right frame rate. For cinematic feel, go for 24 frames per second. This is the standard frame rate for most films, and it creates the subtle motion blurs our eyes are used to seeing in movies. Sometimes, despite all your efforts, you might still end up with shaky or unclear footage. Don't worry, this is where Filmora's AI Video Enhancer comes in handy. After filming, you can use this feature to sharpen blurry footage, especially when it comes to facial details or any areas that didn't come out as crisp as you would like. With Filmora, you don't need to reshoot to fix mistakes. The software can help clean things up for you. Tip number 2. Movement. Want to take your videos to the next level with dynamic camera movements? It's easier than you think. Whether you are shooting on a phone or a camera, using basic movement techniques can make your footage look professional. Here are some tips to get you started. First, I recommend combining your phone with a stabilizer or gimbal. This simple tool reduces shakiness and ensures smooth movements, giving your shots that cinematic feel. Next, practice these 4 basic camera movements. Pushing, where you move the camera forward towards your subject. Pulling, which is the opposite, moving away to reveal more of the scene. Panning, where the camera swivels horizontally to follow action. And tracking shots, where you move alongside your subject to keep them in focus. These techniques, when combined, can make your videos more dynamic and engaging. Now, let's talk about post-production. If you are using Filmora, you can enhance these shots even further. For example, Filmora's rotate video windows feature can be used to correct any tilt angles you might capture during the movement. Simply import your footage, select the clip, and adjust the rotation in just a few clicks. This is especially useful for fine-tuning your tracking and panning shots. With smooth movements during filming and precise adjustment in Filmora, your videos will look polished and professional. Try these techniques in your next project and let us know how they work for you. Tip number 3. Include a subject. While scenery and landscapes are beautiful, what makes videos truly engaging is the presence of a subject, usually a person or a specific point of focus. Including people in your shots or even something like a pet or a particular object gives your video a story and makes it feel more alive. Sometimes people or things you don't want in your shot sneak in. This can make your video feel cluttered and distract from the main subject. But here is a neat trick. With Filmora's AI Object Remover, you can easily erase those unwanted elements in post-production. This tool saves you from having to reshoot or deal with messy scenes. Before we move on, let me quickly tell you about something exciting. Filmora is hosting a special Black Friday campaign where they will invite multiple influencers to document their Black Friday shopping experience in creative ways using Filmora. This campaign will be a fun way to see Filmora in action. Plus, the Black Friday period is the perfect time to grab Filmora at a discount. So, if you have been thinking about getting the software, now is the time. Tip number 4. Color grading. Color grading is what really gives your footage that cinematic look. The color in your video can completely change the feel of the scene. Think of the cool blue tones used in a thriller or the warm orange hues you might see in a summer beach scene. While professional color grading might seem intimidating, Filmora makes this super simple, even for beginners. With their AI color palette feature, you can apply the color tones from your favorite movie or visual style to your footage in just a few clicks. Whether you are aiming for something vibrant or moody, this feature allows you to achieve that professional look without needing expert-level editing skills. Tip number 5. Music. No cinematic video is complete without the right music. Music sets the tone and enhances the emotion of a scene. Whether you are filming a dramatic moment or a light-hearted travel blog, finding the perfect track can be time-consuming, but Filmora makes it easy with their AI music generation. It creates custom, royalty-free music tailored to your video's theme, saving your time and hassle. You no longer have to worry about copyright issues or spending hours searching for the right song. Filmora handles it for you. So, there you have it. Those are 5 essential tips for shooting cinematic videos using nothing more than your smartphone. The social video planner makes you sure your content strategy is streamlined. So we talk about a lot of feature in this video, but Filmora version 14 has a lot more features to offer. So be sure to check them out from the link in the description. Below the video, there's the promotional link for Filmora in the video description. Click and learn more about it. Thanks for watching, and I hope these tips help you create your next video great. Don't forget to like and let me know in the comments which tip you are excited to try out first.